In this lecture, you will learn to use the size and properties feature in PowerPoint presentation. When you click on this shape and go to Drawing Tools Format tab, you can see the height and width of this shape as 4.39 or 4.54 centimeter. I would like to make it a perfect square. For that, I'm going to change the height and width as 4 centimeters. Now I'm going to change the height and width of the second cube to 6 and 6. The same goes for the next one, 8 and then 8. And for the last one, I'm going to choose 10 and then 10. But now they are not aligned along the center, right? So let me select all of them, go to Align and Align Center. But still, they don't look as good as before, right? We need to arrange them manually. For this, I wish to increase the depth of these cubes individually. So let me click it, go to Format Shape, go to Shape Options and then 3D Format. The first cube has got 35 points as depth. Now for the second cube, I would like to change it to 45, and for the third one, 55, and for the fourth one, 65. Now let me place this one here, select all of them, go to Align, Align Center, and then let me place it manually so that it forms a steps-like structure. In the next lecture, you will learn how to use the Format Painter tool in PowerPoint presentation.